G'day, I'm Pete from Get Man Rolls Camper Trailer Travellin. Welcome to another episode. Look where we are. Bloody beautiful. Litchfield National Park. We're at the Waterfalls at the moment. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so in this episode, we start up here at Darwin. We'll head south down to this turn off here. There is a north turn off and a south turn off to get into Litchfield. But we go in there into Berry Springs and down through here and then down to Waterfalls where we stop in. And then we go a little bit further to the Billy Rock Hole and Florence Falls, and that's where we stay. And then we finish off the episode back out here at Bachelor. So today we're going to have a look around Litchfield National Park. We're just starting with Berry Springs because we're coming from the north. We'll end up exiting Litchfield National Park from the south when we go to Kakadu. Okay, so we're leaving Waterfalls now. Unfortunately, this is one of the two waterfalls that are still closed. For anyone who hasn't been here before, if you're coming to Litchfield, come to this place either early in the day or late in the day. Around lunchtime is when all the tour buses come through. This is the one where all the tour buses bring everyone in for lunch because the facilities here are pretty good. Nice big toilet block there, which some of them don't have, and lots of barbecue areas. So if you're going to come this one, I recommend you come in before lunch, because otherwise it fills up pretty quickly. It's going to be pretty packed. Probably in my opinion, probably the most popular spot here. So how's the icy poles, boys?
Good.
Pretty good?
Good. Yep.
Yep. Alright, so something I did forget to mention at Waterfalls was there is a campground there. I'm not sure what the fees were there. Did you happen to see what the fees were?
No, I didn't.
No, not sure. So set up the same as this basically. And this being at Florence Falls, there's two caravan parks here, a two-wheel drive and a four-wheel drive one. We came to the four-wheel drive one because on Wiki Camps, the reviews say this is closer to the actual rock hole, which is 35 degrees here, so I got my bloody top off and sweating, like a what. I'll show you the facilities here, and we'll check out how much it's going to cost us in here. So basically, it's a bit of an honour box. Has to be cash, so just remember that if you come through. because I'm not sure where. Maybe in town in Bachelor you might be able to get some change. So got showers here. Only difference between this one and the Wangi Falls is you got hot and cold showers, but I'm told here it is only cold. Now a little shower over there. Now if you're camping and haven't got a sink, there is a little washroom here as well. You can see this, that's nice sinks. So it's 6 dunnies, I think, yeah, 3 on each side. And so I'm just going to walk up the track here. We'll check out how much it's going to cost us. Okay. So you can see there, it's got a nice little map, which see, it does explain. That's the park there, and we're in number 10 right there. Obviously there's heaps here. Literally the last hour or so, it's about 2 o'clock. If you had a few people come in. What have they got here? Adults $6.60 and children $3.30. So 2 adults up to 4 children. Yeah, that's sweet. No, just put them in envelopes and drop my hand. Look at the amount of envelopes in there. Might not have been picked up for a while. We set up a bit earlier than we normally would. It was about 2:30, 3 o'clock. But there's a storm coming apparently. Like there was in Darwin yesterday, but the sun's out now. It's stinking. And about half an hour ago, driving in it was can't say the swear word, but it was raining pretty generously. So we'll see if it's gonna rain again. But if it does, that's alright. We're all set up for it. So yeah, when you get out here. There's basically the 2 free camps, remember, Wangi Falls and Florence Falls, and at Bachelor there's actually a couple of campgrounds. You can start there, which I think about $39 a night if you're on Powered side, but you pretty much got everything you want out here anyway. If you're in a caravan or camper, and then even if you're in a tent, you got showers up there, so it's a good spot.
Come on, gorgeous.
Anyway, so yeah, right to go, and we're going to have a dip. What's going on there, mate? Still enjoying the ice cream? Bit stiff, Dad didn't even get one. You get the last one, did you?
Oh no.
Oh no. Okay, good morning. It's 9:30, so just had a decent brekkie. Feeling a bit under the weather still. Cranks from Sudafed, and we'll see how we go. But had a wonderful breakfast, nice bacon egg roll this morning. So today we're going to check out this place. And if you come here, good bit of information here on the map of Litchfield. Of course you can find it on Google Maps, but remember there's no reception out here, so Google Maps is absolutely bloody useless. Also there's the main spots, some other spots there, and then you know, some other quiet peaceful ones. The Cascades one we've been to in the past. It is a bit of a walk. It is a bit of a walk to get there. It's a bit of a hike going up, but it's a magnificent spot up on the cliffs there. And Sandy Creek is all part of a four-wheel drive track that's all cut off and inaccessible at the moment. But anyway, we're going to check out Florence Falls and see if this place is as fantastic as I remember. It's a bit of a trek, but the walk itself is bloody beautiful. Some pretty steep platforms to get down, and then a bit of a walk through some creeks that are pretty amazing. And this is just the start of it here. Just left camp, but have a look at this. That water's crystal clear. Anyway, I'm going to put the camera down. I need everything, every moving part to make this a bit easier for myself. And we'll talk to you when we're down there. Okay, so we're just out at Bachelor at the moment. We're going to grab some lunch and keep going, but at this point I'll we'll wrap up this episode. If you like what you're seeing, give us a like and subscribe to the channel if you like what you're seeing and you want to see more of it, and hit the dinger as well to stay up to date, as we'll try and keep pumping these things out. So in summary, yeah, Florence Falls is probably my favourite spot and one of my recommendations, but it was nice to stay out here. I haven't done that before. Always just sort of come and gone, and yeah, it was nice to try it out and camp out. And again, the facilities are pretty decent out here. It's pretty well set up for it, and no, we enjoyed it. So that's it. We're gonna, like I said, we're gonna have some lunch here now, and then we're gonna punch on up the road to Kakadu. Thanks for watching.